In this part, we're going to talk about the preferences of this script. Open this drop down and select Preferences. The first option is Null Size. You can set a default size for the null shapes that you create in your animation. Let's go back to Motion 2 and make a null shape that its size is 120. Now select Preferences and change null size to 240 and again go back to Motion 2 to make another null. This new null is twice bigger than the previous one. The next drop down is Sort Folders. This option is for arranging files or in project panel. As you see, we have many files in our project panel, and if your project were bigger than this, it would be really hard to find your intended file. This option sorts your files according to their type. You can see different types of file here in this drop-down. Types like AI and PSD, audio, compositions, images, nulls and solids, videos, missing items which are disconnected from the main file, and at last you have all folders. By this, you can give priority to items that have this name. For example, named as final. It means every item that is named as final will be out of the sorted folders. Let me name one of the compositions as final and sort the files again. As you see, this comp remained out of the folders to be accessible. If you check this checkbox, it saves old folders for you. And by checking this checkbox, items that are not used in compositions get sorted in a folder. By pressing Reset, all preferences return to their default settings. In this drop-down, we have About option that gives some information about the producer of this script. This script belongs to a company known as MTMograph that works on motion graphics. Click on this to refer to the website of this company. Summit refers to the trainings that are made by this company, and you can use them free of charge. You can update your script by clicking on Update option.